mine. I can't tell you said in other time. I ask for your sign. I call your phone and you don't call me back.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It's about a brand new wig from a company that I've worked with multiple times before in the past. And this wig is really cute. It's a wig that comes with a bang. It does have transparent lace. It is a 13x4 lace wig, and I will say that the lace is really nice on this one. It's really thin, and I just added a little bit of powder to make it blend, and it was just really cute. I knew that this wig would be a throw on and go because anytime you have a lace frontal unit that has bangs, you literally don't have to do any work. It's literally just put it on your head, secure it and make sure it's tight enough, and that's all you have to do. You don't have to lay any lace, you don't have to melt any hairline, you don't have to do anything. You literally put the wig on and it's ready, and that's what I absolutely love about this unit. Now, of course, you can make your own bangs on a regular lace front wig, but it does take a little more effort and a little more energy to do that. So it's great that this one comes ready to go. I did try out my new flat iron. This one is from Vav, or I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I will leave a link down in the description box where you can definitely check out this flat iron. I love this flat iron. It goes all the way up to 450 degrees, which is amazing. It's like the hottest flat iron that I own. I literally just do one pass on the hair and it's bone straight. I really love this flat iron. It's really thin and really small, so it's easy to work with, and the outside of the flat iron doesn't get too hot. I have that problem with some of my other flat irons that are bigger. It's like they're bulkier and they get really hot and they're really hard to work with. This one is thin, it's lightweight, and it gets super duper hot. It also has a digital control, so you know exactly what the flat iron is on. It's not like one of those scrolling around discs where you kind of have to guess, like, I think I'm at 300 degrees, but I'm not sure. This one is digital, so you literally just like click it up and it shows you exactly what the temperature is. So I would definitely recommend this. I'll leave this flat iron in the information box down below. I also wanted to point out that what I love about this wig is that not only do you not have to lay anything down, you don't have to use any glue, any gel, any adhesive, but I love that the part is already in place for you as well. So not only are the bangs in place for you, but the part is already there, and you can see the part is literally flawless. Like, you can see scalp. It's really giving, like, it's serving you scalp, okay? Another thing that's amazing about, I feel like everything about this wig is amazing. But another thing that I really loved about this wig is that this wig is clocking in at 22 inches, but I think for sure it's much longer than that. So you're definitely going to get a lot for your dollar with this Yiroo Hair wig. I was super pumped about it. I think you can see it all over my face. Like, I'm serving yes all the way. I love this wig. I would definitely recommend it. If you guys have questions or you want to check this wig out for yourself, check in the information box down below. I'll leave a link to where you can go ahead and click to it. I'm going to also try to get a coupon code for you guys so you can save yourself a little bit of coins if you want to go ahead and grab this one. But yeah, I would definitely say check it out. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I'm also going to go ahead and post this wig over there. I always do like a lot of little teasers and good stuff over there, so you definitely need to make sure you're following me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, share this video, share it with a friend, share it with your mama, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, y'all.